you have to keep in mind on the lapping process. So lapping abrasive is next subtopic. What are the different lapping abrasives are used to do the lapping operation? So lapping abrasive, different types used for lapping. For example, commonly used abrasive is called silicon carbide, then aluminum oxide, boron carbide, and diamond. Last year when I taught you the grinding top, grinding waves, this mostly is covered silicon carbide, aluminum oxide, boron carbide, and diamond. They are all are the abrasive particles. Abrasive particle में कम रहे sands and all. So this is required for the lapping process. Otherwise, lapping will not happen. Best example हमने तो polished paper. They have the abrasive particle on the polished paper. मैं तो metal का घासना है. Like similar type. Silicon carbide. Now silicon carbide is a abrasive. It look like this flecks in color. This is an extremely hard abrasive. Its grit is sharp and brittle. So these abrasive particles, they are very hard, extremely hard abrasive, and its grit is sharp and brittle. They are sharp and brittle also. While lapping, the sharp cutting edges continuously break down, exposing the new cutting edges. So generally, काम करता है while doing the lapping operation. The sharpening, while lapping, the sharpening cutting edges continuously break down. Sharp edge आले तो continuously cut जाता है. cut आणि परत आणि त्याची edge आणि sharp जाता. Like this continuously and remove the. Due to this reason, this is considered widely ideal for lapping hardened steel and cast iron, particularly where heavy stock require stock removal is received. Due to this reason, this type of silicon carbide is a what? Very considered as a very ideal for lapping hardened steel and cast iron, comparatively where the heavy stock is required. Third metal carbide, then you go for the silicon carbide abrasive. After this, we have next abrasive called as aluminum oxide. Now, this aluminum oxide abrasive ALO is sharp, sharp, but tougher than the silicon carbide. These are the very tougher than the silicon. Whereas in silicon carbide, what happens? They are getting breakage in another form. By cut data, and sharp data, and the process goes continuous. But here, in this aluminum oxide, what happens? The sharp, but together the silicon carbide. Okay, sorry, tougher than the silicon. Silicon is yet tougher. That tougher than the silicon. Aluminum oxide is used in unfused and fused form. This type of abrasive particle, they are used in the unfused and fused form. And last summarize in the unfused and fused form. Right? Unfused alumina, unfused and fused unfused alumina removes stock effectively and is capable of obtaining high quality fuse. So, unfused alumina जो आप oxide आप abrasive particle आप तो remove the stock effectively, then the capable of obtaining high quality fuse. Kadpa barata finishing much quickly made. But if you use the fused alumina, unfused and fused, unfused it's a very capable for removing the high quality, removal of stock effectively, but obtain a high quality finish also capable. But infused alumina is used for lapping soft steel like non-ferrous metal. Suppose copper aluminum, if you want to do the lapping, then you have to go for the fused aluminium. Fused aluminium and unfused aluminium, these are the two sub agent of this aluminum oxide abrasive. Next is boron oxide or boron carbide. Boron carbide abrasive. This is an inexpensive abrasive metal which is next to the diamond hardness. So this is where these are all very hard next to the diamond. They are very hard. That is boron carbide. While it is excellent cutting properties, cutting property it is used because of the high cost only in specialized application like dies and gauge. So mostly this is excellent cutting property. It is used because of the high cost. It is used because of the high cost only in the specialized application like die and gauges. So आत में die available है, like the die and gauges भी ऐसे को त्यांका finish करपाक this material is boron, carbide, abrasive. They are very costly die and plug gauges भी आए हुए. All these gauges, plug gauges, they take some grind एक तरफ polish करते हो, you have to go for this boron, carbide, abrasive. Then we have next abrasive particle is called boron, sorry, diamond abrasive. This being the hardest of all material, it is used for lapping tungsten carbide. Suppose there is a tungsten carbide metal, very hard. Mostly it is used for cutting other metal, tungsten carbide. And high speed steel tungsten carbide. So it is used for cutting the other metal, MS or something. So now in that case, if you want to do lapping on that tungsten carbide, you require what? This type of diamond abrasive. Normal silicon carbide can get aluminum oxide cut down. So we require a diamond to lap this type of product. That is a tungsten. Lapping vehicle means what? What do you mean lapping vehicle? Lapping vehicle means that oil, paraffin in that abrasive particle mixed together. That is a lapping vehicle. आम्ही त्याका आम्ही solution किती म्हणतात oil, but here the liquid is used to mix that abrasive particle is called a lapping vehicle. It might be a soluble oil, vegetable oil, paraffin, anything. In the preparation of lapping compounds, the abrasive particles are suspended in the vehicle. Vehicle means there is some liquid. This helps to prevent the concentration of abrasive on the lapping surface and regulate the cutting action and lubricates the surface. So this is one function of the lapping vehicle. This helps to prevent the concentration of abrasive on the lapping vehicle. Concentration हमको भीतर भी असना है तो ये कंट्रोल करता है. Liquid की तरह तो वॉश रहता इतना रास्ता remove जाता. So it prevents the concentration of abrasive on the lapping surface and regulates the cutting action and lubricates the surface. Most importantly, it's also lubricated to the surface of the job. Commonly used vehicles are, so mostly vehicles are used in the lapping. For example, water soluble cutting oil. Water soluble cutting oil that you can mix with the abrasive particle. Second, vegetable oils, can be any vegetable oil. Machine oil, some machine oils, petroleum jelly or grease. You can mix with the grease or petroleum jelly mixed you can use. And vehicle with oil or grease base used for lapping ferrous metal. Vehicle with oil or grease based upon the application. Based upon base used for lapping ferrous metal. Vehicle with oil or grease, either oil or grease base used for lapping ferrous metal. Ferrous metal all your ions. MS flat with the some lapping petrol, you have to use of what? Vegetable oil or grease as a vehicle. Vehicle it's a liquid and with my abrasive particle mixed. Charging of vehicle. You can see here. Charging of lapping tools for charging cylindrical lap for internal work or a thin coating of prepared abrasive compound is spread over the surface of the hard steel block. आता एक समज चार्ज करता चार्जिंग सिलेंड्रिकल लॅप सिलेंड्रिकल अशी लांब असतं सर्क्युलर शेप ते तुम्ही चार्ज करता cylindrical laps for the internal work, literally internal work lapping. A thin coating of prepared abrasive compound is spread over the surface of the hard steel block. already thin coating of prepared abrasive. Kenle abrasive compound is spread over the surface of the hard strip block. Hard so there. Next, the lapping compound is then rubbed with a cast iron or copper plate. So lapping compound rather is then rubbed with the cast iron or copper block. तेव्हा त्याचे lapping plate झाली. ते घेऊन ते rub करतो. The lap is rolled over the cast iron block by pressing it down firmly so that abrasive grains will be firmly embedded on the shearing of the head. So the lap is rolled over the cast iron block by pressing it down firmly so that the abrasive grain will be firmly embedded on the surface of the lap. External cylindrical laps can be used for pressing the abrasive inside hole with the help of hard steel, which are slightly smaller than the diameter of the lap. Now, application of lapping. We have already called dalne, but actually we supposed to start a new topic only. Application of lappings. Lapping internal cylinder surface. In a solid type of laps are used for lapping internal cylinder surface. The lap of large size made of cast iron. Smaller diameter laps are made of copper or brass. And lap for holes are commercially available. And they are available and have interchangeable sleeve and made of copper. Laps with the capability of slight adjustment in size and can also be prepared on the shop floor. Grooves cut on the surface of the lap help in retaining the abrasive compound and the slit cut provided to expansion. For example, this is the internal lap और ये तो भीतर के internal surface आप लैपिंग करता है. You can see these are the slot is provided for the external lapping. Yes, slot on the slit is given. No? Here you have to charge the abrasive part. So this is for the charging. And then you have to rotate. The lap will completely slide adjustment in size can also prepare in the shop. Groove cut on surface of the lap help in retaining the abrasive compound and this slit cuts provide for expansion. Commercially, the available laps are sometimes provided with a hose which can host the lapping compound. So this is the way you have to hold it and you have to like this to the finish. Holes can be lapped manually or by using special lapping machines. And sensitive drill press can be used for rotating the laps. By lapping, the lap should fix the hole and kept tight. Use of adjustable lap is very helpful for this, and the length of the lap should be larger than the holes being ensure the straight. So this is the way you can do this type of lapping. Lapping external cylindrical surface. This is in the case of internal or rotate inside surface getting layer. Now this is external because the shaft will come here and on the top surface of the shaft is getting lapping. So adjustable ring lap of various designs are available. In the case of external cylindrical lapping, the lap rings will have slot cut. These are the slot cut on it, which permit the feeding of the lapping compound. Adjustment of the sizes. Another type of the lap, type of the ring lap. This is a ring lap. Here there is an adjustment screw there, and these are the holes are provided to charge the abrasive part. It will charge. Another type. The single holder different sizes of the bushes can be used. External thread can also be used for a ring lap. This usually consists of interchangeable threads, bushes corresponding to the threaded external threaded in the lap. A slight adjustment slides in the process. So there is some slight adjustment you can manage. So this is the adjustment screw here. In the case of ring laps are usually made of close grain cast iron. These are made of close grain cast iron, and the ring laps can be done manually or by holding the work in the while split ring is moved over the cylindrical surface. So this is the way external lapping is done. This is the shaft, and this is the lapping. What? Lapping ring is placed here, and there will be a charge here, and then it rotates. Yes, this full length of the shaft is then lap. While lapping, the ring lap should slide forward and backward along the workpiece, rotating to the lap. For lapping, the diameter and spatial laps can be used during it. Precaution you have to observe while doing lapping. There are some precautions also you have to take. First is do not wear in the sample place. Do not wear in the same place while lapping. एक तो जगह classes down all you have to cover. Second, keep the lap most always. The lap or the must follow the way most of the time. Do not add fresh abrasive during the lapping or recharge effect. Must come down for a new galopna. You should not charge immediately. Do not add fresh abrasive during the lapping. Which is कित्याक सगळं एक वाडच झरपा जाय तूं त्या हॉलात झरलेलें आनी थिंगा न्यू घायलेलें देर विल बी अप एंड डावन सारकें मेळपाना. Do not apply excessive pressure while lapping. So pressure घालपाना. Up to here this is clear. External internal clearing झालं बरें. The surface texture has already covered. चल बरें. हाँ surface finish चल ना. Now next topic is called honey. Honey